Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of full screen on the application of Messenger. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about the application of Messenger and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.